Alright, so this is a tool I've never seen before. And I kind of question what's the point of this. Of course, you get your limited lifetime warranty. There is your part number. There is your UPC. You whiners. 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 There's your UPC. Whiny, whiny, whiny. So, these are on clearance. $7 or less. And you most likely are saying, what the hell is that and why? Well, what happens when you adjust a wrench? What happens when you adjust one of these? They always loosen. They always loosen. As you're moving it, they're loosen. Well, this allows you, this is pinning the wheels so it doesn't move. At least that's the theory. It's pinning this against that, against the wheels in there, so it'll lock into place onto whatever it's doing. Kind of thick. I don't know what I would use this for. Kind of think. There's my little buddy. Here's my little buddy. I'm not exactly sure what I would use it for. Maybe a nut that's stripped or something, or no? I don't know. Oh shoot, like scratch the table. Wow, Mank. Oh wow, these are pretty sharp right there, huh? Yeah. Generally, I go and find my own tools. It would be like that. You could just cut the thing, get it open. So, what makes one of these good or bad is how wiggly this is. But with this cheater thing, you can get it to just clamp down and it won't wiggle loose. Let's see, we'll go to the nut on there. And then we what? Just squeeze this? Yeah, then we get no movement on the jaw. None at all. Let's see. Wiggle it. See now we have wiggle room. Now we don't. So you're tighter on the bolt. So I guess there's a kind of use for this. But the thickness, 10-inch, I think you would want it longer. And then when you try to put a breaker bar on it, this piece is in the way. And if I hit it with a sledgehammer, is this going to snap open like that? I don't know. I guess it's up to you. Just throw it in your pile of tools that you might want to use someday. Yeah. I don't know. Or you might scratch your table with it. Something like that. Could do that, I suppose. How was this in here? I don't even remember. Oh, it was across the thing. this. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oh. Alrighty. I know, I never used it. It's like new again. Alright, so, you know, high grade steel, $7. And that's why we can't have nice things. Oh my. You done scraped that. What an asshole.
Have widely spaced eyes.
Widely spaced eye.